In this video, I'll guide you through how to import vendors from a CSV file into Wave accounting. Whether you're just getting started with Wave or looking to streamline your accounting process, this tutorial will make the import process quick and straightforward. First, we need to prepare our workspace by opening a blank spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Google Sheets is a great tool for this task because it's accessible and user-friendly, which is what we need to ensure a smooth import process. Once you have your blank spreadsheet open, your next step is to enable the Wave Connect extension. To do this, navigate to the top menu and click on Extensions. From the drop-down menu, select Wave Connect and then click on Upload. This action will open a configuration panel on the right side of your screen. In this configuration panel, you'll notice a drop-down list labeled Data Type. Here, you'll need to select Vendors or Vendors Contractors, depending on your specific needs. This selection is crucial because it tells Wave Connect what kind of data you're planning to import, ensuring the system is prepared to handle the information correctly. Now, let's move on to preparing your input sheet. Still, in the right side configuration panel, you'll find a section labeled Step 1, Prepare Input Sheet. Click on the button that says Prepare Input Sheet. This is a very important step because it generates a new sheet tab designed with specific layout column validation headers. These headers are necessary for ensuring your data is in the correct format and ready for import. Think of it as setting up the foundation for a successful data transfer. With your template ready, it's time to map your CSV data into this newly generated template. This step involves copying the relevant information from your CSV file and pasting it into the corresponding columns in the template. Be sure to double-check that each piece of data is placed in the correct column. This meticulous mapping is crucial because any discrepancies can lead to errors during the import process. Once your data is mapped accurately, the next step is to validate and push it into Wave. Validation is a critical part of the process as it helps catch any mistakes or issues with your data before it's uploaded. Take a moment to review your entries, ensuring everything looks good and is in the right place. This step helps maintain the integrity of your financial records. Finally, once you're confident everything is in order, you're ready to push your data to Wave. This action sends your vendor information from Google Sheets directly into your Wave account, integrating seamlessly into your existing data. And just like that, you've successfully imported vendors from a CSV file into Wave accounting. This simple guide has walked you through the entire process, from setting up your Google Sheets to pushing your data to Wave. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your vendor information and ensure your accounting records are always up to date. Thank you for watching and happy accounting.